Sunday's lunch is a red leaf lettuce salad with gailan, bok choy, red onion, roasted chicken in a rice wine and mustard vinaigrette. I'm also drinking it with a iced glass of Harney & Sons blood orange fruit tea. Normally this is served hot, but I decided to chill it, and it's turned into this really lovely orange color, orangey, sort of peachy grapefruit color, and the tea tastes pretty good. It doesn't need any sweetening, but I did put in a little bit of agave just to change the flavor, and I like it. So here is Sunday afternoon's lunch. Monday's dinner is pipette pasta with homemade tomato sauce, enoki mushrooms, grape tomatoes, a little bit of basil, and a 4-cheese blend sprinkled on top. Tuesday night's dinner is Fiesta Flats tacos. One is chicken with celery, tomatoes, red leaf lettuce, sharp cheddar cheese, a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, and the other is a red cabbage slaw with edamame, celery, red leaf lettuce, and fish. It's haddock, I think. Tuesday night's dinner is green vegetable curry with black and mahogany rice. The vegetables are Indian and Asian eggplants, carrots, a little bit of celery, a little bit of onion, and 1 potato. An after dinner snack is a few organic ginger snap cookies with a cup of CTC Assam organic tea. Breakfast for Thursday is 2 scrambled eggs with tomato, red onion, and cilantro, with a side of homemade hash browns and coffee. Saturday night's dinner is leftover dumpling stuffing, gailan and bok choy, and a piece of chicken that was marinated in sesame oil, fresh grated ginger, a little bit of soy sauce, and garlic chili paste.